Now let's explore our vocabulary words of the week that start with letter E. We'll begin with knock knock. Who is it? Egg. Egg. Egg starts with letter E. An egg is a round or oval object laid by a bird, reptile, fish, or invertebrate. Egg. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Earth. Earth starts with letter E. The Earth is the third planet from the sun in our solar system. We live on planet Earth. Earth. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Exit. Exit. Exit starts with letter E. An exit is a way out of a building, a room, or a passenger vehicle. This is a picture of an exit sign. Exit. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Estimate. Estimate. Estimate starts with letter E. To estimate is to roughly guess or calculate the number of items you have. Estimate. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Elephant. Elephant. Elephant starts with letter E. An elephant is a large plant-eating mammal with a long trunk, 2 curved tusks, and really big ears. An elephant is the largest living animal on Earth.
Hello!
Elephant. We have one more. Knock knock. Who is it? Experiment. Experiment. Experiment starts with letter E. An experiment is a scientific procedure done to make a discovery, test a hypothesis, or to prove a known fact. Experiment. Wow, look at all of the words that start with letter E. Let's clean up and put them back in our basket. Bye bye egg. Bye bye egg. Bye bye earth. Bye bye earth. Bye bye exit. Bye bye exit. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye estimate. Bye bye estimate. Bye bye elephant. Bye bye elephant. Bye bye experiment. Bye-bye, experiment. We'll see you again next time.